There are those moments that happens not too often, in which we get to see something that really catches us by surprise, and when they get caught on camera, it can be completely mind-blowing. At the 2015 Swedish Open, an incredible rally happened between two players which ended up with an unbelievable corner shot. Sometimes science can be deceiving. During the second intermission of a hockey game, fan was told that if he manages to make a half-court shot, he will get $50,000, and well, to everyone's surprise, he managed to do it. In order to film a commercial for Air Canada, two massive planes were flying really close together, and well, looks pretty crazy. With spiders building new webs every day, they can quickly accumulate in Victoria, Australia. A scary sight to see is a huge web blanket made by thousands of spiders next to a reservoir. A hilarious video to watch is this dog seeing snow for the first time. When a tennis player was frustrated after losing a point, he threw the racket to the floor and got a lucky bounce. During a close soccer volleyball match, one of the players made an unbelievable game-defining bicycle kick. Okay, I have no idea how she does this, but an incredible demonstration of skill came from a woman that can drive a bike backwards and do some crazy spins. At an NBA game, LaMelo Ball managed to make an incredible ball fake.
How did he do that? Most guys would have had vertigo. Got dizzy.
When some friends were bowling, a one-in-a-million moment happened when one of them made what looked like a really bad shot, but the ball actually came back to her. A really unlucky moment at a pool game happened when at the finals of a tournament the ball somehow got in the pocket and then came back.
First time, one with Jason Show, right?
Who's in that?
A moment that got everyone on the edge of their seats happened when a professional racer pulled off a two-wheel turn. Especially in rough weather, cruise ships tend to move a lot, so games such as pools don't seem to be possible, but thanks to gyroscopic self-leveling, pool is actually possible. To show the effects that water can have on a car, they decided to pour thousands of liters of water with a massive crane next to a car. Okay, not sure who gets the point in this one, but a one-in-a-million moment at a volleyball game, the ball got stuck in the roof. A nearly impossible odds moment happened at a soccer match, in which the ball spinned in a way that barely made it for the players to continue the play. A scary nest footage to watch comes from a home in Colorado, in which a bear broke in while the homeowners were asleep and opened the fridge while he was scavenging for food. With perfect timing, the refraction of light through water droplets can cause a rainbow waterfall effect, which is mesmerizing to watch. Thanks for watching. Be sure to give a like if you enjoyed this video and don't forget to subscribe my channel.